The TRiO Achiever Award is given to one student who's excelled in their profession. Every year, the different TRiO programs in the state of Virginia, they actually all attend a VAOB conference. So before you come, they ask someone to nominate a student who's been excelling in their career, who's excelled professionally and personally, and then they have a committee who votes on the application packets. And so that mine was the highest, and I won this year. So I found out through TRiO during my first experience here at Thomas Nelson. My mom literally dropped me off and told me to figure it out because no one in my family had ever been to college before. And I walk in and I see financial aid is still in the same place that it is now. I walk in and I sit down in front of the counselor and she says, "Have you done your FAFSA?" And I was like, "What is that?" So she explains it to me, but then she refers me to the TRiO program. And they really helped me figure out what it was to be a college student and what it was to be successful.